And I'm a character, yes, Muvhango. She's a young girl who's very ambitious and is, as you know, automa business here with water side.
Hi everyone, I'm character Muvhango. So I need to tell you guys about the storyline that is happening right now. So Aaron decided to be in a polygamous relationship. So everything that is happening right now is happening around that storyline. What do I consider a strong woman? I think it's someone who is really comfortable in who they are. We forget so I think a strong woman if you know what I mean.
Character name ndamba ndi Susan. Mara zina langa ndipi Maomera wa Mahuwa. She's a woman of power. She's going places in life. Vatu bane bafuna Susan ngamanda ndi vatu bane bapesa uchiwo. Bane badeba zuri buchiro is not a point of arrival. It's a journey. Ndi vatu bane bana zwine vangamba ngamurova havo. Those kind of people. She is a mother. She is so open and like receptive. It's painful to me.
Hi, this is Berita. Women's Month to me is an opportunity for the country or industries to really shine the light on the role that women play. Especially, I think what's important is equity for women. I know for myself in the music industry that women are marginalized and they don't have as much access to resources as they should.
Celebrate Women's Month with SABC. #Celebrate her.